Maarten, where the local time is 2:11 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry an item stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. And please ensure you have all your personal belongings before deplaning. As you reach our gate, we invite you to use the Fly Delta app for important baggage and connection information. You may receive an email asking you to share your feedback we value and use your responses to improve your future travel experiences. On behalf of this Atlanta and New York City-based crew, thank you for helping us celebrate 100 years in flight, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.